They were outgunned, outnumbered, and running out of powder, yet at Bunker Hill, colonial fighters proved they could stand against the British Empire. How did this brutal battle ignite the revolution? Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. By June 1775, Boston was surrounded by colonial forces. British generals planned to break the siege by seizing the high ground overlooking the city. Colonial leaders moved first, fortifying Breed's Hill, closer to Boston than Bunker Hill. Overnight, earthworks rose in silence. Colonial troops, led by William Prescott, prepared to face Britain's best, outnumbered, undertrained, but determined. British forces under William Howe launched frontal assaults up the hill, bright uniforms, steady lines, marching into deadly fire. Colonists waited until the enemy was close. When they fired, the hill exploded. 2 British assaults failed, cut down by disciplined volleys. On the third assault, the British broke through, only after the colonists ran out of ammunition. Britain took the hill, but paid dearly. The British won the ground, but lost over 1,000 men. The colonies lost leaders like Joseph Warren, and gained belief. Bunker Hill proved the unthinkable. Citizen soldiers could stand against the British army. It inspired thousands, and made independence seem possible.